So go to your Canva app, just press on this 1000, just look inside what I press inside, then press on create new design and it will load. After it has load, just wait, so you see something like this on the screen. So after it is, you are going to be pressing on custom size. Pressing on custom size, we found yourself somewhere here and just press on the custom size 1270 and the other one also. So pressing it, just press on new design, create new design. You will see yourself inside the workspace like this, and you will see it is different from the Instagram one. It is rectangle, so you want to use for a flyer. So as usual, it will want to bring a something like this, so just back it and you start it like this. So after starting our design, we are going to be changing the background color. So I'll change it to, let me just move it like this. When I move it, so I'll move the other one also to something like, I think I want to use for wedding stuff. So let me check the gold color. I don't want it. I don't want. Let me change it to blue so that I can use this one. So let me just change it like this. Change it. I think I like this blue. So I'm going to be using this one. This one is not good. This one is not good. Yes, let me just and find the one that is very perfect. So I think I've seen one. So I'll be using this one. So just go to your gallery. I've download your images you want to use and use remove BG to remove it in Chrome. So I want to choose my flower. Let me just wait for my flower. So I've chosen it. Let me just set it very well first. Let me set it. Let me just set it anyhow. Let me see what this one can do. Duplicate and put it in other side. Yes. I think this one is just something. Let me just try it first. It is not as if it is even flower, but let me just try it like this. I don't like it. I don't like it. Let's just try it first. Oh, so you just have to make it perfect. So you just let me find another one. So you have to go to your element and find a blue rose. Let me pick on this one. So I think this one is very fine. It even matches the color that is in the background. So I'll duplicate and put it here like this. I'll duplicate again and just duplicate and put it. Make sure it's aligned with each other like this. Just set it very well. Yes, I'm setting it now. I'll put it in the other side like this. I'll put it, let me duplicate. Yes, put it again, duplicate like 3 of them, then put it up here. Let me see it first. Yes, this is perfect like this. So you're going to be searching on straight line. Let's search on straight line. I want to use it for a decoration there. I think I want thick one. Let me choose on this black and I can change the color. Let me choose it. Let me just find out first. So I think I'll choose this one. I choose this one and I don't like it. Let me find another one. Let me choose this one. So let me change the color first. Let me just do it. Wait. Just wait for it because it is for a wedding and we have to make it perfect. That is why we are doing something like this. This is how you are going to be doing it because it is more stressful. So just do it and do it. You have to make it perfect. I think this one is not a lie. So just try to move it. I'm trying to move. Let me remove it. Yes, let me use this one. This line. I deleted the other one, so let me use this one. So this one that I'm using now, you can see that this one is even tinier than that one. So the reason why I use this one is that this one is very tiny and this one can be extended. That one it cannot be extended. That is why I deleted it. So I cut the video short. That is why. So I'm going to be setting it like this. I've set the other side. Now set this one also. So just watch me as I'm drawing it. I'm drawing it. I'm drawing it. Yes. I think this one is very good. But if you look at that side, it is even closer to the side like this. Let me shift it a bit. Let me shift it. It is not perfect. No, we just have to make it something perfect. Let me shift it. Yes, something like this. I love it like this. Yes. So I'm going to be typing in what I want to use. Let me just use a Muslim format like Assalamu alaikum. Let me just press it. No, it's fine. Let me use it. Assalamu alaikum. It's a Muslim wedding. Let me just. So, for you to make it on a straight line, just push it one side first and draw that. You see that one at the middle, just draw it, yes, like this, and press on that circle one and make it smaller, yes, like this. I think I'm going to be changing the font because I don't like this type of font, so I'll change it. Yes, I did mistake. Salam alaikum. Yes, this is it now. So you just keep watching it. So let me just put another one like Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh. Like it's a Muslim format of greeting like that. You just put it Wallahi Wabarakatuh. So you do it the same way like this and draw it like this. Then put it finish like Wabarakatuh. Yes. So I'm going to be making it straight. When it is straight like this, it is smaller and fitting the frame. It is too small. I'm not saying it very well like this. I'm just watching the fonts. The font, let me press on font. I change it. Yeah, this one is not good. I'm finding something that is good because when your work is smaller, I just use something that is bold so that you can see it. Yes, let me use Anthem. I think this one is very black. Let me change the color. Let me change the color so that you can see it from afar. Yes, let me choose white. Let me choose white also for it. Yes, yes. This one is very good like this. So then we move on. Yeah. So I'm going just like it will be sounding at you. I'm getting my logic like that. Like you want to invite someone, like a letter of invitation like that to the family of. Let me just put it like this and check it up here. I think I'm going to be taking the original from like I'm not going to be changing the font of this one. It's too small. Let me put it up. So setting it up like this. Yes. So before I move on, you can see that thing that I used to underline that Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi, that item there. I also download it on my Chrome, and I use remove BG to remove it. So you can download, like just go there and type on your wedding something like that. So let me press on this one. You just press on wedding, like go to your Chrome and search on wedding invitation card, and you can use that format if you are just a beginner. Mr. Let me use Samad. Yes, MAD. Let me use Mr. Samad. Let me use it, and I will select the fonts that I can use. I think I don't like this font. Let me use. I want to use something more professional. Yes, let me choose this one. Let me resize it like this. Yes, put it here. After I put it here, I'll type another one. It is the gay version now. Oh, Mrs. Zainab, LAB. Because a Muslim, you just have to find a Muslim name like that. Yes, you resize it also. You choose a font. Let me use this one. Let me choose one. Like you have to make it that the font that you use for the first name must be the one used for the second name, so that it can be. I think this one. No, it's not this one that I use. It is this Mongolia script. Yes, it is the same thing like that. So let me resize it and put it here. This is more stressful. I just have to do it to perfection. That is why I move it. But you can use this nudge to shift it, because my hand is not perfect like that. Shift it, press on it, yes. And as I say that, you have to go to your Chrome and download your wedding stuff. So I've downloaded my ring. So this is my ring, and as you can see, I'm resizing the ring. It's a diamond ring. So now my wedding, so resize it fits in. So the ring will now serve as hand. You can see it like that. The family of Mr. Samad and Mrs. Zainab. Let me just use that nudge again. So if you are the usefulness of this nudge is that just to shift it, like if you are walking through a tiny space, just shift it. So let me change the color first. Let me see something. Let me change to blue. I'm not using this. Let me use white. Let me use red first. I think that one can go. This one is even worst. Let me change to white. Yes, let me use white, JJ, because I don't want something that will spoil my project. So just continue with your write up again. This one, add a subheading. So just type in something. Just make something to be there. As you can see like that, the family of Mr. Samad and Mrs. Zainab cordially invite you to the joyful day of our children. Something like this. So just resize it like this and make it fit in the space like this. Put it together. It's too long. Let me put it again. Yes, like this. So just put it very well. This is very well. Put another one again, another item. It is not stressful, but just make sure you are doing it right and putting the necessary things that is it. Let's share the bond of most of love together as a family. Let me put it as a family. It's not as if you are inviting only family, but you are just making it to be like a loving something. Yes, draw it like this. Put it on a straight line and make it fit in. By drawing this one, yes, and place it, yes, like this. I think this one is this one is giving me a problem. Let me just try and use a switching like this. So you just be adding everything. You can get me now. So let me add another thing. Save the dates. So I want to have the that is another necessary things, the name, the date, and every other thing like that. Save the dates. And resize it. I use Phantom fonts. So don't mix too many fonts because it is going to be spoiling your work. Let me choose circle. Yes, resize it. Resize it. I'm resizing it because I want to put the date inside. change line, whether a line can go, or I want to put it at that side. So this at this point you have to be creative. Yes, you have to be more creative. Let me delete it. This one is not going. I can't use this one. It is too tiny. Yes. So I cut the camera and I use square. So and I resize the square to that level. If you don't understand now, so I'll add the date. Let me put 25. Yes. Yeah, let me draw it. Inside darkness. No, let me put it here. Yes. I'll put a day, month, and year. So DMY. Yes. Okay, but before this one, let me put that 25 first. This one, yes. I'll change the font. I want to show you something. Let me change to anthem like this. So if I want to use the anthem for that month also, you just duplicate and press on that one as if you want to change. Let me change to December, and there is no need of me going to anthem again to change it. It will automatically change. That is another app like that. So I change it to anthem without going to anthem. And you will also duplicate to change it to. So press on it as if you want to make a correction and change it months, the year, so 2025. Yes. Let me resize it. Let me resize it. This one is it's smaller. If I want to, let me duplicate this one. This one is, let me put it. I want to make it long, but it should not be more longer like this. Yes. Let me carry my 2025 and resize it where I can fit it. I'll put it. You just have to make it like they should be at the same size. If you want to know that they are the same size, you will see that line, that imaginary line, it will appear like they are the same line, they are in the same size like that. So I know you just have to do it to perfection. Like this, and just add another thing. Let me just use a Muslim format. You know, you must have known what you want to write. Wishing English Barakallahu fi Kallahu fi Baraka size it like this. I think I have to change the fonts. Just press on the fonts and let me change it to Anton. Yes, I don't like this one. Let me change it to something that will make it small. Yes, Anton. And put another pen on there. So as you can see, this is making it more interesting like this because I'm adding something that will make it more professional. Like it will be as like a pro. You can see it. I want to put another thing like wishing everyone what can of you safe journey. Yes. Let me make a safe journey. Yes, like this. Just yes, like this. No, size it small. Let me put it yes, like this. So putting it like this, yes. I'm going to be adding the time and the date now. So the time is 4 o'clock p.m. like this. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I can put it here. I think let me just put time. Let me add time. Time. Yes. Like this time. Yes. You have to add it because you are not designing it for yourself. You're designing it for people. Yes. Like this. Also, it's in the location. Just make it. I'm just going to putting it location. Just put your address, the venue also. The venue is also the location or something like that. You can, in one case, you cannot put. If you cannot say location, you can say venue. It is just an English, so just make sure it is the same thing. It's passing the adequate information people need to know about it. Let me just review it. Let me be looking at like this. You have to recheck before you proceed, like checking it where did I did mistake, where is mistake, because once you have export your work like this, you can't be able to edit it unless it is still in your project in Canva. Yes, you just have to be careful. Let me look it very well. So when I'm done checking, you check it very well and make sure it is as you want it. Yes. Let me just check it. The font is it. You just have to check because that is what people will be looking at. Yes, like is this just worthy of something we call the wedding invitation card or something like that? So let me just put it like this. Yes, I've had the address and let me resize it. Let me put it first. Gosh. Let me resize it again. Smaller. Hey. Let me zoom it first. I think I can use that. Let me just make it two line. I think that will be better because that is just the only thing I want to put at the last end. That's just what I can do. Let me make it from that Lagos. Let me make it two lines like this. Yes. Now make it bigger. Yes. Let me resize it. Yes, like this. After resizing, you just make sure I add all the necessary things. Make the merge as usual because I want to make it a shift to the. I want to position it well. Just make sure everything. So looking at, you just have to download. So press on the download button and press on the download like this. After pressing download, you see it preparing your design. So just wait a little bit, and in some seconds you can share it to anyone you like. This is the result.